Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready, Set, Drone, and today we're gonna do a comparison that's been asked for a lot in the chat. Everybody wants to know which is better, the DJI Mavic 3 or an Apple. Stay tuned and we'll find out. So let's start with the price difference. The Mavic 3 in its most basic configuration is over $2,000, whereas an Apple in any configuration is around $1. I think we have a clear winner. Apple gets the point. Configurability. The Mavic 3 comes in two variations. There is the standard, and then there's the Cine version. Whereas an Apple can really come in thousands, maybe even millions of configurations. Big, small, red, green, point to Apple. Versatility. The Mavic 3, it can be used for quite a few things, like movies, real estate, mapping, photography, video, hyperlapses, lots of cool stuff. Whereas the Apple actually can be used for even more things. Apple pies, apple strudels, a healthy midday snack, keep the doctor away. The list goes on and on. Once again, point to Apple. Durability. The Mavic 3 has a lot of delicate parts, and I'm not gonna do a drop test because we know how that could end. But we can drop an Apple. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Let's see. Hey, it's not bad. Still usable. Put it in a pie. Point to Apple. Flight time. The Mavic 3 boasts an impressive 46 minutes of flight time. Let's see how this Apple does. About 3 seconds for the Apple. Finally, Mavic 3 on the board. Point Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance. The Mavic 3 has really good obstacle avoidance. Whether it's a small obstacle like Chris, or a huge obstacle like Kai, the Mavic 3 does a great job. Now we're gonna try the Apple. To help me with this test, I've got my pal, Kai here, to do the throw-in.
Gladly.
Do I really have to be the obstacle?
Don't worry, Chris. You're in Kai's hands. What could possibly go wrong?
Well, this is gonna be fun.
Oh boy.
Kai, I think you better go check on him.
All right.
And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, there's a lot to think about here, but at the end of the day, it seems like the Apple might be the better choice. What do you think, Kai?
Obviously, the Apple is the better choice.
Chris?
Definitely the Apple.
And by the way, April Fools, everyone. Hope you're having a great day.
Do I really have to be the obstacle?
Stop your whining, Chris. So now we're gonna try the Apple. And to help me with this test, I got my pal, Butterfingers here. Obstacle Avoidance. Like, dude, why are you trying to hit this guy? What's he done to you? A lot. Yeah, I tried to steer into you and it wouldn't do it. Don't want to throw out a shoulder, break a hip. I think you should hit him pretty hard.
He's nervous. I wonder why.